everybody, it's Neil and I'm in the office today and I have this. This is the HeyChy, H-E-Y-C-H-Y is the brand, and it is a massage gun. This is their version 2 of the massage gun. So we're going to open this up and check it out and let's see what's inside. So this is what the box looks like here, and here's some more information about it on the back. There we go. Okay, so let's open it up here. I'll open it so y'all can see as I open it. So it comes in a box. So put this aside. That's empty. And here we go. Let's check this out. Okay, so nice zipper pouch. It's actually a nice box. So this will be good. So I can take it with me when I go places. I'm actually at my office now, but I would like to use it because I did a pretty heavy duty workout this morning. So let's see what we got here. So we have the massage gun. This is what it looks like here. It's got some good weight to it. Must have a decent sized battery. Feels nice here. It's a nice soft rubber on the handle, so it's nice. It's freezing in my office, and this is not freezing. It looks nice. It's got the power button on the back. Let's show you the tips and see what they are here. We've got, let's see if it has an explanation of what the different tips are. Yeah, we have a round tip, and this is for large muscle groups, pectorals, major, rectus, abdominis, gluteus maximus, etc. We have a bullet one, which looks fairly painful, which would be a deep tissue of the feet and wrists, etc. Not sure I'm going to trust that one. That one might hurt. Ouch. We have small flat one, which is for general use and relaxing all your body muscles. It's hard. These two, this one here is, hard. These two are hard. This one here was rubbery. And then we have this one here, which is kind of like rubbery as well. And it is an air cushion for larger muscles around the legs and lower back. And then we have this U-shaped fork, which is also hard. And that one is for the shoulders, spines, trapeze, etc. So let's try this one here. This one here seems like the softest one for me to give a shot to. And it looks like it just fits into the thing there. I don't think there's any real way to rotate it. It just kind of slides in and it is on. I have not charged it or done anything yet. So let's just see if we turn the power on, what happens. Let's see, maybe nothing. Oh, there we go. So putting the power on makes it start. And are there any, I don't know if there's any settings or it's just on. Okay, so there, now it's off. And there, now it's on. Okay, so we have an on and off. And it looks like that's probably the battery indicator there showing us we have 3 dots. And the charger on the bottom, it looks like it's a USB-C. But let's give this thing a try. And it is vibrating on my leg. Actually, it feels kind of nice. I just did a leg workout this morning at the gym. Yeah, holy cow, this feels kind of nice. I think I'm going to take this thing home with me and do this here for the next hour or so when I get out of here. Feels good. On the arm, feels nice. I like this tip. This tip is nice. Let me see. What other thing do we have on here? Let's see, it lights up all on the back. Not sure what that is, but here, let's read some of the instructions and see what else it can do. Let's see what we got here. We have so that was just default everything. I just plugged it in, or just put it on, and so let's go. Let's see what other options we might have here. Here's the wire. So this is just the USB-C to USB. It looks like it doesn't come with a plug, so you gotta have your own USB-C nugget, which I have many of them all over the place here. Comes with a little connector here. I'm guessing that's just a replacement of, looks like they all have this little collar on here. I guess that's to hold it into the little massage gun. And let's just check out the manual here and just see if there's anything I am missing. So, just got some safety notes. Here's some technical parameters. If anybody's interested in those, you can probably pause it and zoom in. And it has so it has the power on off is this one here. And then it has the gear indicator, I guess, which is this one here. So I guess that tells you that it's in gear and working versus if I push it. Okay. So I've figured out the speed issue on it. So this basically tells you that it's on. And then as I push the button here, I don't know if you can see, but it lights up more and more and more as it goes faster and faster. You can probably hear it if I hold it up close. It just speeds up faster and faster. So now it's on like super fast. Excuse me. So that's the speed thing. It looks like it has pushed the button on the panel, and the speed will switch between 0 and 5 levels. And you can press the power button to return it to level 0 position for 2 seconds to stop the doing it, and that does work. So pretty self-explanatory. I figured that kind of out on my own just by holding the button down, it turns it on and off, and then pushing it. You know, it's got 1 light, 2 lights, 3 lights, and the lights are on there. I don't know if you can see them in there. Yeah, you can kind of see those blue lights. We're at 3 lights right now. So it goes to 4 and 5. So this is the fastest it'll go, and that's just gonna, I guess, I'll just rip your muscles right apart. Especially if you use this one here with a point on it. But this is really cool. I'm gonna turn this off. And there it is. So that's really cool. So this is it. This is the HeyChy massager. And it looks really cool. I'm still at 3 dots. It looks like it's supposed to last like 8 hours of runtime. So you're golden on that. You can just keep doing this thing all day long. And it seems to work. So I'm going to say this is really cool and a nice little case that it comes with. So thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.